two-color template can be downloaded for free on our website, denovosoftware.com. Navigate to the Resources tab, See All, click on Application Examples, and Flow Cytometry Application Examples. We have two templates available. In one template, the positive populations are selected on histograms. In the other template, the positive populations are selected on a two-dimensional dot plot. Here, I've clicked on the first template to download it. Open the layout in FCS Express. A startup script will open. Click the ellipsis button. Select one data file in the dataset you wish to analyze. Click Next. Add a checkmark to the two primary scatter parameters. Click Next. Add a checkmark to the two fluorescence parameters you wish to analyze. Click Finish. You can toggle this checkbox to hide the hints if desired. First, move and resize the ellipse gate to encompass the population of interest. If you can't see the ellipse gate on your plot, follow the steps on the left to replace an existing gate. On the left histogram, move the marker to encompass the positive population. On the right histogram, do the same. On the right side of the layout, the batch actions are already set up for you. To run the batch actions, click the Batch and Export tab and click Run. All 4 documents are automatically getting exported. FCS Express is batch processing through all the data files in the data list. The documents can be found on your desktop: a PDF, PowerPoint, Prism file, and Excel workbook. Now let's walk through using the second available template. This one allows the user to select the positive populations on a dot plot. After completing the startup script, move and resize the ellipse gate to encompass your population of interest. Next, move the magenta and blue gates around each positive population. Next, click the Batch and Export tab and click Run. The same batch actions as in the other template will be run. The PDF, PowerPoint, Prism, and Excel files can be found on your desktop. If you have any questions, please send an email to support@denovosoftware.com.